I'm pretending I'm juggling. Okay, everyone, welcome back to my YouTube. We're still going with 30 and 30, and today I'm actually super excited. I'm feeling a little bit better about my recipe videos, and I really want to share this recipe with you guys. So let's recreate my favorite summer salad. This is actually my favorite summer salad from one of my favorite restaurants. It's called Flower Child, and it's called their kale, Brussels sprout, grapefruit salad, I want to say. But it's really good. It's really hearty, and I personally like it because it doesn't come with like any protein on it, but like almost any protein like really suits it. And it's really flavorful, and I literally crave it all the time. So I figured let's make it together. For this salad, you're gonna need some leafy greens, kale, spinach, chopped up shaved Brussels sprouts, a grapefruit, extra sharp white cheddar, some smoked almonds, grapes, apples, and salad dressing. Gather all of your ingredients and meet me back right here. Let's start with our leafy greens, y'all. So, shredded kale, power greens, and shaved Brussels sprouts. So I love like crunchy greens. So like honestly, like this kind of like spinach and stuff does not float my boat, but we're here. Throw her in there, but I like this for smoothies. Kale, a little crunchier, I like her. Shaved Brussels. I don't know, is it just me or sometimes like raw Brussels sprouts like smell weird? Like, I don't know. I love Brussels sprouts, they're so good for you. Let's chop up one grapefruit. Recently, my boyfriend actually took me to a cooking class, and I've gone to cooking classes before, but they were like so strict on learning the proper technique. Y'all, they were not having it with me. Like, I am not a great cutter, but they really helped me, and I feel like so much better about it. I can like literally see the improvement. Here we go. Let's say, honestly, I might do the whole thing just because I'm kind of making a big salad. Ooh, she's juicy, baby. I'm back with an entire cup of halved, little slivered up organic red grapes. I'm gonna put those kind of like right in the middle. I'm a big grape girl, y'all. I've got 1 cup of organic sliced up apple. This is how they slice it, so that's how I did it. I think I like it better than like cubed up. So this way is like not as crunchy, but I like it, it's like juicier this way. Just put those, let's kind of put these like around. Put them around town. Extra sharp white cheddar. I got this from Trader Joe's. It's not that sharp. Half a cup of cubed up sharp white cheddar. I love cheese. The last part, we've got about, let's say like 1/4 cup of cut up. I kind of smashed them, did a little hammer effect almonds. Smoked almonds is what this recipe calls for, but I took it a step above. At Trader Joe's, I found mesquite smoked almonds, and when I tell y'all, they're so good. It adds like more of like a meaty flavor, very smoky. It did like have a little bit of extra sugar and molasses. I don't know, I'm a flavor girl, so I love a little flavor. Yummalicioso. Don't get mad at me for this part. The dressing on the salad is really good. It's an apple cider vinaigrette, but I have not mastered the art of making salad dressing yet, and it's on my list. So guess what I did? I went to Trader Joe's again, and I picked this out. I don't know, goddess dressing, because we're being goddesses and I have goddess braids, so. Oh, she's good. Get her on there real good. Oh yeah, baby. Let me know what you think. If you switch some things up, please leave a comment and send me your favorite salad dressing recipes because your girl needs it. Okay, thanks for tuning in to 30 and 30 today, and I will see you later on the mat, baby. Bye. Why did I just throw it like that? Oh, don't do that. I'm eating the whole salad before I even finish it.